Hi, I'm going to show you how to check the web API call using DevConsole. So this is the Chromium browser. So you put in into the one of the API documentation first. So right now I'm using the Twitter. So right click on the browser, then click on inspect. So go to the network and go back to the browser. So if you refresh and then go back to your developer console or dev console, you should be able to see a lot of call mates by the browser, as you can see when the browser loading. And right now the browser done loading, and these are the API call mate. And I want to show the JSON API. For instance, the profile endpoint, as you can see here. If you point your mouse cursor to the API endpoint on this one, which is called profile.json, click on it and click on the response. So you can see this is me. Yeah, this is me. And the time span. So that's it. I hope you know how to get the web API endpoint using the Dev console. Thank you.